Hello coaches, how are you? We have prepared for you a brief video in order to navigate with you the Coaches Kit. So I am going to start sharing my screen. Okay, we are now in your Coaches Network, where we have two ways to be able to go to the Coaches Kit. The first way is through the library. We go to the library, we go down, and this is where you will find it. Also, through the home page. In the home page, you go to the right side of the page, right over here, and this is the link. The link will take us to the OneDrive, where you will find two folders and one PDF document. Before we begin the navigation, I would like to recommend for you to go right over here to your right side of your computer and open this View Options menu. You can take the first option, which is List, and this means that you are modifying the way you can look at your documents. I prefer this type of arrangement of order because I can be able to read the complete name in each folder. So now I can tell you that the PDF document is a detailed guide for you to be able to navigate the Coaches Kit. Then you have two main folders, the Training Resources, Let's Innovate, and My Role as Coach. We will begin with the Training Resources. We can see in the Training Resources that we have information on Let's Innovate 1 for the first moment, Let's Innovate 2 for the second moment, information on the offline app, and also information on the online courses. For now, we are going to begin with Let's Innovate 2. In Let's Innovate 2, you also have two main folders. The first one is the Classroom Management, and the other one is the ProFuturo Equipment and the Platform. We will go to the Classroom Management, but before that, I just want to call your attention on where we are. Remember that we went into the Training Resources folder and then to Let's Innovate 2. And in Let's Innovate 2, we have these two options. So we're going to go now to the Classroom Management folder, where we have all the resources for training on classroom management. Then we're going to go back and we're going to visit the Equipment and Platform folder. And here you have three main folders: Teacher Support Manual, Training Recordings, and User Manual. All of these are resources for you in order to train your teachers on the use of the equipment. So first, we're going to go to the Teacher Support Manual. In this section, I would like for you to please come and join me here on this Excel document called ProFuturo Curriculum. It is important for you to know that this is the curriculum of ProFuturo, which every country made a curriculum match with your national curriculum in your country in order for teachers to be able to use all this content. Having said that, these resources, you have 7 folders, and each folder has a different subject area. So if, for example, I am a math teacher, I will go into the math folder and I can appreciate the different resources that I have in order to complement my lesson plans, right? And in each one, I will find a guide that will tell me what activities and will give me classroom recommendations in order to enhance my lesson planning. So I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to go to the Training Recording folders, where every country has a folder with all the recordings of all the trainings we have had. And the User Manual, you will find all the guides, all the presentations, and all the different resources that we have had in the trainings. It is important for me also to tell you that the APK is an app that it is very important for you to know where it is, because in case your teachers need it For example, if a student by mistake erases the content in the tablet, then the teacher is going to need this app in order to restore all the information in the tablet. So you know where it is. It's in the user manual. We're gonna go back now, and I would like now to take you to the first part of the folder, of the two folders, the two main folders. And now we're gonna go to my role as a coach and the reporting information. This folder has all the information regarding the role of the coach. And this one is very important too because it has the reporting formats. In this folder you will find the image rights for adults, the image right for children, the school diagnosis template, and the training report template. And also in this folder you will find the attendance list formats. These are the new templates that we're using now. We're going to go into them, and as you can see we have three different options. Before selecting them, you have to ask yourself, who am I training? Am I training coaches? Am I training school principals? Or am I training teachers? Because they are different formats. So for example, you usually train teachers, so I'm going to go into the teacher one. And you have the first moment, the second moment, and the third moment. We're going to go to the second moment because this is what we're doing at this time. So this is the template, and as you can appreciate, you have here the three trainings that we're doing: the use of the platform, the Level Up classroom management, and the Level Up lesson planning. Depending on which one you do is what you're going to the number of hours that you're going to be completing here. For example, if I'm a coach and I finish training all of my teachers of a school, and I manage to do the platform training and the Level Up, I will complete it and write down the hours, the total hours taken, and I will get the signature of the teachers, and I will turn it in. I will turn in one for both trainings. If I manage to complete these three trainings, again, with the number of hours for each one, I can turn in only one attendance sheet for the three trainings. So it depends on how you manage it. I'm gonna close this one now. I'm gonna go back, and I would like you to visit issue reports and remote assistant information. This one contains the issue reports. Remember, this is the template that you need to fill in if something happens. For example, if a tablet breaks. So, coaches, this is it for the navigation. I really hope you find this video useful. Let us know if you need any help or if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.